So as I was saying, we have tetradic colors. These are the ones that we need to pay the most attention to because we're confusing tetradic colors and triadic colors. So tetradic colors are two pairs, a pair, of complementary colors. So we would look at yellow and violet, for example, and we would see that these are they are opposite of each other, which means that they're complements. We could then look at orange, and right across from orange is blue. So those are also complementary colors. So when we look at both of these pairs, we see we have a pair of complementary colors. We have violet and yellow, and we have orange, and we have blue. And that creates a tetradic color scheme, which is different from the triadic color scheme. So the triadic color scheme is three colors that is equidistant or equal distance from each other on the color wheel. An example, yellow, blue, and red. How do we know? Because if we look at red, we can see we have red orange, we have orange, and then we have yellow orange. Now, so that's three colors from yellow to red. Three colors are between those two. Okay. Now we look at yellow and blue. We have yellow green, green, blue green. Okay. Three colors in between. And finally, if we look at blue and red, we have blue violet, purple, red violet, and red. So, or you can say red purple and blue purple, but traditionally you would say blue violet, red violet, and when you talk about painting. So that's the difference between tetradic and triadic. Triadic, three colors that are equidistant from each other. Tetradic, two pairs of complementary colors. Okay. Then we have monochromatic. As I said, this is Mr. Thompson's favorite. This is where you have multiple tints and shades of one color. Remember, a shade is when you add black to the color. So if we look over here to the left, we have more and more black, but we still have darker values of purple. If we look to the right, we have more and more white, but it's still lighter values of purple. So we have shades of purple here and tints of purple here, but it's all purple. Okay. And we have analogous colors. Analogous colors are three colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. So we could look at yellow, yellow, orange, and orange, for example. We can look at red, orange, red, and red, purple. We can also look at blue, blue, purple, and red, purple, and purple, right? These are examples of analogous colors, but you can also look at blue, green, blue, and blue, purple, right? That's another set of analogous colors. So analogous colors are just three colors that are directly next to each other on the color wheel. I feel like you guys are doing a good job at understanding analogous colors so far. And moving along, after we talked about color schemes, we talked about how colors are used to convey messages. So yes, colors are used to make clothes, shoes, video games more appealing, but they relay specific messages in media. So as we looked at yesterday, certain covers of video games will use, for example, the color blue to say that this game is targeted for an audience who is smart, who is calm, who is more stable. If we know that a game is going to have more action or it's going to be a sports game, they're going to probably have some red in there, right? Because it has more energy, it's more passion. You might have some aggression in there, some anger. We looked at 2K, Red Dead Redemption as examples of that. And for the blue example, we saw Minecraft, we saw The Sims.